Hey there, I'm Tiffany Woodliff, Assistant Director of Education with Surface Hair. I'm super excited to share with you today Pure Blonde Ultra Lift Charcoal Lightener, the perfect multi-technique lightener for all hair types. Let's take a look.
Ultra Lift Charcoal Lightener lifts up to 7 levels while controlling underlying pigments and reducing toxins. With natural built-in bond builder and antioxidant protection, hair is beautiful, shiny, and conditioned. Let's get into mixing. With your Ultra Lift Charcoal Lightener, you have 4 enzyme cream activators to choose from: 7, 20, 30, and 40 volume, as well as our Pure Color Thickener that allows you to adjust the viscosity of your lightener to your desired thickness and consistency. Take notice of the light gray shade of the Ultra Lift powder. This is the activated charcoal that absorbs all the toxins and minerals from the hair for the lighter, brighter, and cleaner lift. When mixing Ultra Lift Charcoal Lightener, you will mix 1 part powder to 2 parts enzyme cream activator. Please be sure to always measure and weigh your powder and enzyme cream activator appropriately. The raw mixture of Ultra Lift Charcoal Lightener is a very smooth, creamy, and spreadable consistency. It is my preferred mixture for applying on a global application, root touch-up, platinum card, wet balayage, and tip-outs for beautiful, bright, light blondes. Color thickener can be added to your mixture to adjust the viscosity to your desired thickness. Up to 25% of the total weight of your mixture can be added in Pure Color Thickener. This will create the perfect Greek yogurt-like consistency. It's important to note that when utilizing Pure Color Thickener, you do not need to adjust your processing time or your choice of enzyme cream activator. This is my preferred consistency for balayage, foiling, and foliage techniques. Check out these before and afters. Brassy buildup, lots of minerals. Lifted with Ultra Lift Charcoal Lightener and 30 volume ECA. Toned with Pure Color pearlescent toners. Simply stunning. Tag us at Surface Hair Help in your Ultra Lift Charcoal transformations.